Hi guys, me Mish. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. My mic is low again. I don't know what happens. Sometimes it just switches over to low. Uh, let's see the markets. And I already saw some of them. And I'll tell you this much. They're not favorable for me. Um, this makes no sense anymore. Still holds, it's still an up thrust, but can't call it a balance. You can't do anything with it. Yeah, look at the markets. Look at the markets. This one as well. What can you do? Q's go lower. Yeah, it's there, but it's too close to resistance level. So how do we know this is not a reversal? That's the problem. So no um swing trades is possible here. As per as per mm, day trade. I don't think it's a good idea as well, but you know, Merrick continues. It's unstoppable climb, hike, uh, grind. I don't know. What do we call it? DTM. It's in some form of balance that I don't think I should be doing anything with. Bazi grinds higher, but has room to go before it breaks me even. uh, and look at this, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Market didn't support my point of view. Ay, ay, ay. What else can I say? So this is broken. It resumed from 0.5. It can go here. Ay, ay, ay. So impulse correction. I was given signs. Volume and it didn't go. I'd say. So this was unnecessary. It was a very small trade. So this was still all right. It's 0.5. You have spring and where did I buy it? Did I buy it right after spring somewhere here? That was still all right. This was emotional, but I took a very, very small trade. So yeah, market doesn't want to go my way. can I say? Except you're welcome. Dropped all the way here. Okay, it is what it is. What should I do? Nothing. Will it come here to unlock me? Eh. If it goes down, it goes down. Pfizer, it's going up. Where did I enter? Did I enter here? I don't know. Yeah, there. It's a Warren Buffett trade, so I'll be sitting in it for some time. It's at the level, but what's like, it's so high up there. And it's a counter trend on monthly. 10, 10, 10. And technically, I got a stop, a virtual stop, so should be done trading for today. You know, it's this situation here. You know, you know, it's too high, of course. Like way too high. But it can be in this level now, actually. Done. You see, we have a confirmation on hourly of what we think is going on daily. It's again, it's all counter trend. It can just reverse and go. So it can be just an attempt to jump in front of the train. One bar reversal, unvolumed, done. I think I'll leave it alone. I think I'll leave it alone. Boom. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is good. Let's daily watch now. It's a powerful break. Dun, dun, dun. It's a powerful break, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so it's correction now, officially, so needs to come to 0.5. Which it looks like it will soon, so I'll keep it on the hourly watch. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 dun. Something like this. There's nothing to charge yet. Yeah, this needs to calm down. Hey, why haven't here? It's not even charted. What's going on? Oh, it just stuck. See, my morning internet is not at its best. Oh yeah. Let's see what happened there. It's not operable. It's absolutely not operable. AT&T continues to grind. What can I say? Absolutely unstoppable thing. Netflix. Was it a one bar reversal deal? Yeah. Like very powerful. No, 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 no. That was the previous day, so the level was here. Regardless. Very powerful spring, needs a test, goes lower in the test, springs it, and then takes off. Boom. But I wouldn't be like this needed a test and irregular spring specifically. Volume was beautiful, then one bar reversal, and boom, this thing goes for a rally. What can I do? This thing goes for a rally. We have reversed and we're in 0.5 right now. So yeah, that's not optimal as well. Needs to come here. So daily watch. Boom. One bar reversal. And the volume is great. Oh, I know this place. Yeah. I know this place. United Health is there. Low. Low, 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 low. It's volume level. Boom. 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 Yeah. Uh, it has room to go. Or maybe not. You know what? It's volume distribution is not good. This thing is barely volumed. It's a good exhaustion volume though, locally. You know, there was an impulse for sure 1, 2, 3. Then this is unvolumed. This is volumed, but not critically. So all in all, if it comes there, I think it's solid. And this volume is good. Well, comparatively, dunk. There are volumes out there, but we're talking about this local situation here. And local, I think it's good. And that's just like 1 bar impulse. And we have this, which is last hour of the day. So still, United Health looks way, way, way better on 5 minutes locally. Yeah. Unilever, don't. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? Ah, yeah. Mm. Yeah, it's a sharp drop. Don't think it's any good at all. It's good for a continuation of the trend, but also overextended. So, so um, this is a good volume. The drop is too deep, though. 70.5. So I need to clear up my drawings. Oh yeah, it's like so high up there. Yeah, just super careful with anything I do here. Hourly though, it's a great volume. It's a little too big for a correction. If this is a main move and this is correction, why the heck? The volume is so big. Damn, we went beyond 0.5. Yeah. No, no, no. Okay. Oh, that is United Health. Let's see how it deals with this level. Ooh, brah. Coin continues to go. You see this, and then went lower, and then went lower. Coin just drops. Oh wow, you can even do this. Oh damn. Oracle continues. Just goes lower. This was not an exhaustion. This was a sign of weakness. I still can't mirror with the sign of weakness idea. It's sign of strength just for the downtrend. Why do we call it sign of weakness? Like, what the heck? Richard? I mean, Richard Wyckoff. The sign of weakness is apparently a good thing for a um, short trend. Casca. Casca. Dun, 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 dun. That's our Casca situation. Volume distribution on daily is no bueno. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. How does it look to you? 'Cause to me, it looks like a sign of reversal. Oh, hey Siri,
Uh-huh.
define shear.
Which word? S-H-E-A-R or S-H-E-E-R?
Thank you. Yeah, that looks like finita la commedia for the um Costco, Cisco. Okay, sign of strength. See how lazy I am if there is like the donor levels I can borrow from the previous episode, I'll charge it. If I need to switch over. Maybe I'm just liking keywords, as I often do. Ten, 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 ten. Okay. Yeah. Screw this level. Yep. Spy goes higher. It's a good volume distribution here. Now we can go continuation of the trend in 50 minutes. Um, that doesn't look good. Oops, wrong, wrong drawing, wrong element. Look at this. Does it look good to you? No. I mean, I don't know. Doesn't look good for me, to me. For sure. For sure. This volume. And we went below this volume. Tun, 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 tun. Pink. Uh, I'm very pleasantly surprised about how chill I am about Tiro. Uh, I would eat myself alive a couple years ago if market went so violently against me. And now it's like, business as usual. This is good for exhaustion, actually, meantime. And that was not a one bar rule, unfortunately. So, that's our levels, but they're good regardless. Oh, even earlier, the actual transitioning stratum was here. So, yeah, can't do anything here but wait. Semiconductor again, same deal. It's E-shares Nasdaq, and it has 2.4 million in this bar, and this has 175 million. It's close. 38. Slightly different. So those are like sister brother stocks. Yeah, once it break, we'll see. Let's see our gainers losers. I know who's our loser. Freaking no. Wouldn't be that ironic that I've chosen the stock that would drop against me like the wildest? Yeah. Would that not be ironic? Irene, Palantir, Technologies. Was there something about Palantir? There was, I just don't remember what. Like news or something. I don't analyze the news. I feel I'm kind of growing into it because, like, in order to properly read the news, you need to need, gosh, read them backwards. So, per se, once the news start like bragging about how everyone has to have gold, you need to sell it. Yeah, that's my guy. That's my guy. Uh, mm, that's like promising on 5 minutes. Maybe just gathering the liquidity with this tail. Just go like this. Can do anything. But yeah, I was wrong here and wrong here at the very least. And I asked my acting coach if this can count as the test this to bar spring because it didn't. It never went to the body of the. Now it went to the body, by the way, of um, the spring. It's the levels are hoot. Hoot. I said. I've heard myself now. HUD. I'm sorry. Our HUD, not hood. You see, I'm learning. I'm trying to sound better for you guys so that you don't like, oh, of my accent, you know, like, like locals do, like they never heard an accent before. Um, you probably didn't experience it if you never lived abroad, but there are some people out there, and I mean, they're honestly xenophobic. They hear you, they understand you, but they're like, ah. And it's funny when you go like anywhere beside of the coasts. If you go outside of LA, New York, or Miami, it's getting worse there. Well, this can be treated as the continuation of the trend already with caution because it can still technically close. Um, spring, but well, yeah, it's the same like Tiro. But now you see the volume distribution is very, very different. So proceed with caution and continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend, WM on RG. It's a red day. It's a red day. I don't know if I need to do anything, if I should do anything with this guy. So technically, it's at the level, but practically, it stinks. And it's far below it needs levels in the whole shebang. Uh, SoFi, well, technically, it's developing down. See how it went? Yeah, 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 that was a trade. Test and just, that was disciplinarian, playing by the book. Playing by the book. I'm a good boy. I'm playing by the book. It's enough. Let's see if anything green. It's an active day. Stocks are moving up and down and moving all around. Put your hand dun, 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 dun. And clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. A little bit. Dun, 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 dun. GPK is also good in continuation of the trend, I think. Uh, huh. It needs to, yeah. Now we need a manipulation signal. However, we need it for a swing, but then we don't need it for a day trade. Stocks are moving. It's good because we make money off movements. I forgot to mention in our direction. Misha. I forgot to mention in our direction. Da-da. What the heck is going on here? We are at the levels, ladies and gentlemen. So, uh, Diageo. I want to see Fjord. As per our conversation earlier, criminals always tend to revisit um, the crime scene. Um, Traders tend to revisit stocks they made money on. Casey is there. It continues its glorious descent or inglorious plummet. Uh, it reached its potential, so it's good to reverse here. So I'd be very conservative. And continuation of the trend looks like this. Is it sexy? Because I don't think it is. Yeah, and this looks a lot like it's not the biggest, but doesn't have to be like absolutely the biggest. It looks like it's we call it hyper volume or uber volume. What's the year? What's the year? Year. Yes, nothing. Proceed with caution. See, I think it's my accent training actually. I start catching myself more often, terribly mispronouncing things. Union Pacific. Why is it not on my list at all? Hmm. Because of this situation, makes sense. It's like broke the model. There's like bigger volume after spring. We don't know where it goes. So let it snow. Let's look at Fjord. Goes higher. Good money. Good money. 32%. Oh, wow. I'm rich. uh, oh God, no, please. What happened here? So I told you it was not a good idea. Yep. So that spring needed a test because of this tail, I think. And then it closed below and it went so deep. So this doesn't make any sense anymore. This hole is gonna break. United Health broke it down to uh, I don't think that makes sense. Yeah, this is our reality now. This was better, but also this T1 is barely volumed. It's now in a test. So this was a trade, but look at this. No. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn